Have you put off planning for retirement because the task seems too big? While most Americans plan to retire by age 67, their finances don't necessarily reflect that reality. According to one estimate, nearly two-thirds of Americans have less than $100,000 set aside for retirement. You can stand apart from the crowd, though. You can take small but essential steps today to plan for retirement with this simple pre-retirement checklist from U.S. Money Reserve. Without a plan in place, it's tough to achieve your retirement objectives. Your plan should include a goal for how much money you want to have set aside by the time you're ready to retire, along with a strategy to reach that goal. It might be worth spending some time with a financial advisor to devise your retirement plan. An advisor can help you nail down factors that will go into crafting the plan, such as anticipated life expectancy, expected inflation rates, taxes, and retirement expenses. You'll also want to consider whether you'll continue doing some work when you're retired or whether you'll completely leave the workforce. You don't have to spend a pretty penny to take advantage of a financial advisor's advice either. Generally speaking, 1% per year is a reasonable fee to pay for financial guidance. Income sources could include Social Security, a 401k, a precious metals IRA, rental property, or life insurance. This stage of the pre-retirement review should include a major decision. When will you start collecting Social Security benefits? You can start drawing these benefits anytime from age 62 to 70. However, the later you begin collecting, the more money you may be able to keep in your pocket. When you're preparing for retirement, it's wise to expect the unexpected. Therefore, it's recommended to diversify your portfolio so that you don't put your entire nest egg in one basket. Diversification can help you and your money weather economic ups and downs. Depending on your needs, goals, and tolerance for risk, a diversified portfolio may include cash, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, real estate, and gold and other precious metals. You're not limited to diversifying within your current accounts either. You can have multiple retirement accounts, including a self-directed IRA, that allows for the inclusion of certain gold and silver products that meet composition guidelines from the Internal Revenue Code. Americans are living longer, potentially leading to years, if not decades, of healthcare expenses. While Medicare is a primary option for covering retirees' healthcare expenses, it doesn't cover all of the expenses. Therefore, you'll want to weigh how you'll pay for healthcare during your golden years. For instance, you may want to look into buying a long-term care insurance policy or a hybrid life and long-term care insurance policy. If you wind up retiring before you're eligible for Medicare, you'll want to figure out ahead of time whether you should sign up for your spouse's health insurance plan or buy private health insurance. As part of your pre-retirement planning, you should develop an estate plan. An estate plan will dictate how your wealth is distributed after you're gone, whether you leave your estate to relatives, charities, or other beneficiaries. A survey found that only 32% of Americans had a will in 2020, down from 42% just 3 years earlier. Aside from a will or trust, your estate plan should include a living will and a durable healthcare power of attorney. You may hope to stay in the house where you've lived for 20 years, or you may want to downsize and buy a smaller condo. You might even want to split time between your regular residence and a vacation home. Choosing where you envision retiring can help determine how much money you'll need during retirement. Is there a gap between reality and your retirement plan? Call U.S. Money Reserve and let us help you make your retirement golden with physical assets that shine above the rest. Click the link in the description to request your free Precious Metals IRA information kit. It's full of everything you need to know about getting started on your self-directed Precious Metals IRA today.